how to play eFootball with friends. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can play eFootball with friends, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to play the eFootball game with your friends, it's actually quite simple to do so. Head over to this match section after you open the eFootball app, and then over here you can see friend match. You can just tap on it. Now basically eFootball has also created a new cooperative match that you can play with up to 6 players in a team, so you can go ahead and then play that match if you'd like. But to play to 1 versus 1, you can just select create a 1 versus 1 match room. Now the way this works is that you will not be able to add friends in eFootball, but you can create a match room and someone else will join that match room. So over here, let's say if I just create a match room, I'm a person who wants to play. I'll just select a match room. I can also set a passcode if I want. Once I've done that, I'll simply copy this number, as you can see, which is the matchroom number, and I just have to send it to my friend. And let's just say again that I am the friend. Okay, what your friend needs to do is they have to actually go, if you're creating it, you have to copy the code and give it to them. Your friend needs to come to the search matchroom section and then simply paste that code and then just tap the search option in order to search for that matchroom, and then they will be able to join your room and then you can play together in that way. So one thing you have to understand, if your friend is creating it, they have to create the room, make sure to give you the code and the passcode, and you have to come to search room. If you're creating the room, then you have to come here and they have to come over here to join the room. So this way you'll be able to play eFootball with friends. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.